Derek, take a piece of candy. Go on, get a piece. Derek, can you pick up your sucker? Get him.
Yeah.
Get him, Derek.
Poised.
I think it's broken. He broke his neck. Get him, Derek. Can you give him a kiss?
We used to have one that was just a hand. We used to have one that was just a hand that came out of the thing, and you'd reach in there and it'd slap you.
Oh yeah.
That one.
It broke after 2 years.
There it goes. All right, Derek, get a piece of candy. No, not the puppy.
Yeah, that's good guacamole, Rick.
Glad you like it, sir.